Hello beauties, today I'll be showing you how to tie 5 types of Zara caps. Stay tuned. Hello beauties, welcome back to the channel. So starting out with number 1, I'll be making use of cardboard and this long Ankara head wrap. So I just have to place the cardboard at the center of the Ankara, then wrap it. Just follow the instruction. Put it on your head. So now, this is the trick about Zara cap. You want to adjust the front of the cap ears very close to your eyebrow as a secret. Then you cover your ear a little and tie it at the back. It's not that difficult. So after tying at the back, you look for a way to wrap the excess fabric around each other as so. Okay, now this is it at the back, then you try to wrap it around. Then tuck every excess inside. And look, I was wowed. It looked so good. This is pretty. Okay, so for number 2, it's a little bit different. Now you have to put the cardboard almost at the end, or very close to the end of the head wrap, just like this. So the one side will be longer and the other will be shorter. Then you tie it up, adjust as usual. Then you're gonna fold the longer side in a way. You fold it smoothly and lay it flat at the front of the cardboard area, just as I'm doing in the video. So I did a style. If you look closely, I was trying to fix it like equally and I don't think I really like that. So I gave it a slant style. You will see it in a minute. That's it. I raised it up a little and I gave it that as a make it. You can see it. Yes, that's what I like. I don't know. It just felt right to me. It felt right. And then I tied it with the shorter one. Tied it together. Wrap the excess. Look for where to tuck it in, and you're good to go. Come to think that I always thought Zara cap was difficult, but no, it is not. This is definitely gonna be my go-to head wrap now. Okay, now for number 3, we're gonna lose that and then we're gonna like roll the longer side just like this and wrap it around our head. So I did a slant again, like a symmetric, exactly. Then tie it with the shorter one at the back and look for a way to tuck it in. Arrange it and number 3 is ready. Number 4, just rearrange it, make the wraps in the middle, and here we go. So number 5, the last but not the least style, is basically the same thing again. Wrap it around or roll it around, then you tie. This time around you're tying the longer and fabric with the shorter one in front, not at the back of your head. Then you look for a way to tuck in that excess. I tried to tie it at the back, but I felt it wasn't gonna be pretty, so I passed it through the front again and then look for where to tuck it in at the back there. Also tuck in the front, arrange it, and here we go. So let me know which of the head wrap style is your favorite. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.